Let me begin by congratulating the industry and SPB on achieving a record year of tourist receipts in 2025. We welcomed 16.9 million international visitors who contributed 32.8 billion in tourism receipts. Our strong performance in 2025 is encouraging, but we cannot afford to be complacent. There are challenges on the horizon, given the Middle East energy crisis and its knock-on effects on consumer spending. In 2024, we announced that the government had injected over $300 million into Tourism Development Fund. To further support our industry, I'm pleased to announce that the government will inject fresh funds of $740 million over the next 5 years to enhance maritime connectivity. STB and the Maritime Port Authority of Singapore have been jointly studying the development of a new integrated cruise and ferry infrastructure. We are assessing the feasibility of locating the integrated cruise and ferry terminal at Straits View, adjacent to the Marina Bay Cruise Centre Singapore, as part of the larger Greater Southern Waterfront development. The new terminal could support the 3 cruise berths and up to 10 ferry berths, with a passenger capacity approximately that is 1.5 times the existing MDCCS and twice that of the existing harbourfront passenger terminal, respectively. This represents not only a significant increase in international cruise capacity, but also greater regional connectivity. On MICE capacity, I announced last year that we were studying the development of a new MICE hub in the downtown area. The industry has shared with us that the central location, transport accessibility, and proximity to lifestyle experiences are critical success factor for the hub. I am pleased to announce that we have identified the Straits View area near Marina Bay as a potential location for the downtown MICE hub. The MICE hub is envisioned as an integrated development offering MICE facilities, accommodation, dining and retail, entertainment, and attractions. Its proximity to the potential new cruise terminal will also create exciting new possibilities. The development will complement other MICE venues in the city, such as Raffles City, Suntec City, and Marina Bay Sands, all within a 3 kilometers radius, creating a vibrant MICE cluster that blends work and play, encouraging more leisure travelers to extend their stay. The MICE hub will allow us to host more and bigger events downtown and to run complementary ones concurrently at other city center venues. Delegates can then enjoy the wide variety of leisure offerings accessible via 3 MRT lines at Marina Bay Station, including the upcoming Thermal Singapore and Wetlands by the Bay expansion. And let me share this exciting vision. I'm confident that this world-class venue will strengthen our position as a leading MICE destination and help us realize our ambition to triple MICE tourism receipts by 2040. Let me highlight some key developments in our iconic tourism precincts: Sentosa, Mandai, and Orchard Road. The Greater Sentosa Master Plan, comprising Sentosa and Pulau Brani, will be developed over the next 2 decades into a world-class tourism destination. Envisioned as Singapore's island playground and sanctuary in a global city, Pulau Brani, spanning 120 hectares, is expected to unlock spaces for new hotels, attractions, and experiences, while preserving the island's natural elements. Upon completion, Greater Sentosa is projected to attract twice as many visitors than it does today. Our well-loved beachfronts will be rejuvenated, making way for more event spaces that cater to a variety of activities. We expect to increase the number of green walking trails, coastal trails, and waterfront promenade, benefiting both tourists and locals alike. We will also add new connections between Greater Sentosa and the mainland, increasing transport capacity and enabling more convenient travel. We will hold exhibitions to showcase the possibilities in the Greater Sentosa precinct, at VivoCity, and other locations in the heartlands. I invite our partners to join us in reimagining the future of tourism, leisure, and recreation in Greater Sentosa. Up north, we'll be celebrating the completion of the Mandai Wildlife Reserve with the opening of Phase 2 of Asia's first adventure-based zoological park, Rainforest Wild Adventure East, on 29th May. In the heart of the city, the Orchard Road rejuvenation plan is well underway. We envision Orchard Road to be an iconic lifestyle destination for all, enlivened by vibrant activations, concepts, and experiences set within a city garden. To create differentiated experiences and drive visitorship, STB will launch the Orchard Road Rejuvenation Initiative. This supports enhancement to building facades, new experiential concepts and artwork installations, and nighttime programming to bring vibrancy to the area and redefine visitors' experiences. Ion Orchard's 3D Grand Facade screen, which features a reinterpretation of familiar landmarks, offers a taste of what is possible. I encourage Orchard Road stakeholders to come forward with bold and innovative proposals. We will introduce ready-to-use pop-up spaces featuring a rotation of quality brands along the Orchard Road pedestrian mall. New-to-market brands, novel concepts, and promising local brands can plug and play through this cost-effective platform to test the market or build their brand presence on Orchard Road. STB will be calling a tender for the design, build, and management of these pop-up spaces. Lastly, art and culture will take center stage within Tanglin, anchored by the upcoming redevelopment of Tanglin Shopping Centre into a mixed-use development comprising retail, office, wellness, and cultural uses.